Wait a minute.
And here we have grocery shopping day. And Gramps, of course, is very interested in that. He's already grabbed the bag with the 2 roasts in it.
That's the one with the roast.
Oh, there he goes. Yep. What do you think, Bubba? You know, there's another big roast. We're not too worried about it because this roast is for dog treats. So if he sinks his teeth in it, it's not a big deal. And he's having a great old time with it there. My goodness me. What are you doing there? Gramps! Deaf as a post. Deaf as a post. No, he's having a great old time with it, but I think we better stop him now. Come here. No, come on, over there. Come on. Come over there. Let go of it. Let go of it. Stop, stop. No, you don't.
Have you still got it going?
Oh, yes. Still got it going. The hard part is... Get away from there. You wouldn't believe this dog's 16 years old. Get back.
Did you break into it?
No, he sure did. And he chewed part of it away.
Break it into the other.
Now he's going for the other one now. We can't let him have that one. No. Get out of there.
You know, John, he went right till he found a bag with
What's the
something
matter,
there.
Bubba? Got a nose on you, don't you? I've been doing all this upside down, unfortunately.
How come you were doing it upside down?